Hi guys.
Hello guys! Welcome to YouTube!
So today guys, lalaro tayo ng ito, 2-player games. Kasama ang cousin ko. Ito.
Hello, pinsan ko lang to. Tinatawagan ko siya pinsan.
Hindi ako sure. So, lalaroin namin today
Offline games.
offline 2-player games. Ma'am,
Ano yan? Internet?
so
Diba?
let's play. First yung play namin ay, ano gusto mo muna, since you're the birthday girl. Since birthday girl, si Cherise, ito yung birthday party. Baliktad lang yung letters.
Yeah, it's my birthday kanina.
We will play chicken jump first.
Chicken jockey.
Okay. Ah.
Pinatlo. Wala, harap natin tita.
Ay. Wala. Ulit.
Jump.
Ano?
Makita.
Ako dito.
Tita. Chicken jockey. Bawal pa ito ibaba.
Wait lang. First, maglalaro kami muna ng ano ba to? So, we will all be playing first mga games. Saan ka punta? So, wait lang guys. Gusto mo game dito? Ito yung pipiliin niya na games. Ano ba tong confetti? Pupulutin ko na ngayon. Ito yung mga games. My Little Pony Puzzle World, Buko Buko, Avatar World, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 players.
There. Lababolo.
Wait lang.
It's my friend. Is there. Wait a minute.
Pinutol ko na lang. Pinutol ko na nga. Pinatol ko nga. Deserve to.
Wait a minute. Hey, that's my friend.
Hello.
Show ka tita.
Now,
Yay, mag-video tayo.
Nag-YouTube kami.
Gawa
Sorry,
kami
but I'm
video.
shy. Sorry, but I'm shy.
Don't be shy. He's just my friend, guys. Don't be shy, guys. Hey, where are you going? He's so funny.
I just... First, so
We're gonna play.
we're gonna play. So the things that we're gonna play.
You can look
Pick
at
one.
it.
Pick one. Pick one.
Let's try to play this.
This one. If you
My
want,
Little Pony.
it's
Okay,
called My Little Pony.
Let's try to open it.
Here's the intro. Of course, it's from Hash Bros.
It's just like a game.
Si Mali Tycoon siya. Tycoon to.
It's just like a Avatar World.
Hindi.
Not
Hindi. So, here it is.
lang.
I'm trying to love me. Uy. Lang.
Cover myself.
Ba't mo i-cover yourself? Here's 5. Secret treasure. So here's the game. And here's wrong. Where is my town? Here's my town. So I have Bonbon, Twilight Sparkle, and Pinkie Pie in there. I forgot. Peep Squeaks, Fluttershy, Mrs. Cake. They're dancing and doing the Gangnam style. What's this? Oh, these are the.
That's the little homies. Maybe they're having fun.
Now, if you want to find me in this game, here's my code. 88B95. I'll show it on the screen.
You can see the screen, huh? Sorry, it's so lean now. You even cannot see it because it's so lean now.
Anong sobrang linaw? Ang sobrang blurry. Ano ba? And I'm not that rich in this game. I only play it like once a Guys, watch this girl and under her secret base, which is a table. Ain't she funny? Like she's not. You're creepy than funny. Yep, and so it's been 6 minutes and every video is 6 minutes. So next video is later, which is sleepover. Bye guys.
We're gonna have a sleepover. Ah!
Sabihin mo na bye-bye. Labas. Labas.
Bye bye. Ah!
Let's bye-bye.